How to transfer USDT on TON from Bybit to Bitget Wallet. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to transfer USDT on TON from Bybit to your Bitget Wallet. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is to open up Bitget Wallet, and then after that, what you want to do is go to Wallet over here, and then on the top right over here, make sure that this right here is set to TON. After that, what you want to do now is go to receive, and then from here, what you want to do is to search up for USDT. So just click on that. And then after that, what you want to do from here is to just copy your wallet address. And then after that, you can now exit out of here, open up Bybit. And then after that, once you are in Bybit, what you want to do is go to assets over here, and then just click on withdraw. And then after that, just choose the crypto that you want to withdraw, or you can just search it up here in the top. So let's just search up for USDT, and then there you go. And then after that, what you want to do is to just type in or paste in the address of your Bitget wallet. So just paste that in, allow paste, and then there you go. Next is the network. So in here, just choose the network in transferring your Bybit USDT to Bitget wallet. So in here, in the chain type, what you want to do is to choose TON. There you go. And then you can also add a tag or a memo over here, which is optional. So most exchanges require a tag or memo for USDT deposits to be credited correctly. So make sure to provide the tag or memo as required for your withdrawal. So missing or incorrect tags or memos could result in the loss of your assets. So make sure to double check this. And then lastly, just input the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. And then lastly, once you're done, just click on withdraw. And then after that, your USDT from Bybit will now be transferred to Bitget Wallet. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to transfer USDT on TON from Bybit to Bitget Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.